Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad campus. Today I am sharing my review of the TEDx Talk, the first 20 or how to learn anything. This TEDx Talk teaches us that we can learn any new skills if we practice for the first 20 hours. We do not need to be perfect. We only need to start and keep practicing. The speaker says that learning becomes easier when we practice every day and do not give up. Small effort every day can lead to big success. I learned that making mistake is that normal part of learning. Instead of being afraid to failure, we should keep trying and improve step by step. This talk inspired me to learn new skills, manage my time well, and never stop learning. I really enjoyed this TEDx talk because it is simple, motivational, and useful for everyone. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.